And after the gap of I think 29 years happening in our country, made their pave their way towards final and win the trophy.
And Tahir you were also
That
really hurt that
Pakistani team will not going to go to India, and Indian team won't come to Pakistan. But ultimately, but on the other hand, Akib Rizwan should look on
a good shot by Mitchell.
yeah, but Akib, if you can see that crowds are just enjoying. So Akib leading a two side, it's a very difficult on the case of team.
So there are lots of discussion happening in sport and Tahir is thus today. How are you, Tahir?
Make good Akib, God is too kind. What about you?
I'm doing well, Tahir bhai. And Tahir bhai, how do you see this match happening? Semi-final between South Africa and New Zealand, jam-packed crowd in Gaddafi Stadium. How do you see?
First of all, Akib, it's a very good moment and congratulating moment for our whole nation that such a big tournament after the gap of I think 29 years happening in our country. It is the same venue where the semi-final of Sri Lanka in which Sri Lanka won in 1996, and Prime Minister Benazir given them trophy. So those memories are again reviving, Akib, and it's a good to see that South Africa and New Zealand are presenting nail-biting match over here.
And you can see the coverage from the ground, Tahir bhai. Both the teams are fighting really hard. And Tahir bhai, how do you see the way the score is going on? Obviously 259-4. It looks like another high-scoring match will be happening here in Lahore.
Yeah, Akib, I totally agree with you. And Lahore has been a very famous and very favorite venue for all the international teams. To be honest, if we talk about the batting friendly pitches and the love of the crowd and cheering crowd. Look, despite the fact of having Ramzan, still crowd is over here, and they are here to
just minutes.
And they are here to cheer the team, and every moment of that match. So it's a good to see.
Tahir bhai, how do you see the Proteas body language? South Africa body language is looking down because they know that they have to chase a high total on this wicket. Do you think that they will confidently chase this target, or it's a big match?
I think Akib, South Africa will struggle. They will struggle for success, and they should have to struggle for success if they want to win the match, to win this match. So Akib, the point which I want to raise over here is it's a good moment for South Africa and golden moment for South Africa to create the history and to win the trophy, because I haven't seen South Africa looking to pass over semis.
They won one Champions Trophy 1990, way back 90.
So it's a long story, right? So it's a current scenario. It's a good moment for South Africa to repeat the history and pave their way towards final and win the trophy.
And Tahir bhai, you were also really hurt that you wished that the final was also going to be played in Lahore, but India took it away from us. How do you see this?
Yeah, okay, it's a very sorry moment for us, but all the best to India. And if I can show my fans that if we can see that there is a flag of India is over there, okay?
Yes.
Somewhere there I found that there is an Indian flag. It's adjacent to Bangladesh. It's an Indian flag.
Trophy of the
It's over nobility. It's over. If we talk in Urdu, it's over badapan, like for our younger brothers. So Indians, I request to Indian boards and Indian stakeholders. Please, for the sake of God, raise your hand and try your level best to restore the cricket between Pakistan and India on both the venues. It's a very sorry state of affair that Pakistani team will not going to go to India and Indian team won't come to Pakistan. But ultimately, who is facing the loss? Only crowd, only cricket lover, only spectators. So if Pakistan have shown the soft corner for India by displaying their flag in the stadium, and now it's a turn for India to show soft corner and have mercy on the crowd and came to Pakistan for play matches in upcoming time.
Tahir bhai, Wasim Akram bhai also said a statement for the Pakistan team that they should move on and learn. How do you see this statement? That he's telling them to forget the defeat and focus on the upcoming series.
Yeah, Akib, I totally agree with Wasim bhai. Wasim bhai is a very legend and visionary player, and is my top pick since my childhood in the competition of the bowling. So Akib, he given a good statement. Look, Pakistani team is undermining through a lot of pressure and struggle. So it's a good time for them that will forget the defeat and try their level best to move on. Otherwise, this defeat might affect them not only physically but psychologically and mentally as well.
Tahir bhai, lastly, before we conclude this video, Babar Rizwan and Shaheen have been removed from the T20 team. How do you see that? PCB, I think, wants to bring Shadab as captain, even though Agha Salman will be captaining in the series. He's captained before as well in the Zimbabwe series as well, in T20s. How do you see this?
Yeah, Agha Salman is a good pick. He performed exceptionally well if we compare him with Babar and Rizwan, and I think he has been granted the reward of his good performance. But on the other hand, Akib, Rizwan should look look forward on his form. If we can show our fans it's a good welcoming boundary. We dissected the two fielders on the mid of, on the long off and long on.
Good shot by Mitchell.
Yeah, but Akib, if we can see that crowds are just enjoying, just cheering every moment of the play. So it's a good to see. And Akib, Salman Agha is a good pick, and Akib he performed very well, and he's a very humble as well. He's a ditto copy of Rizwan, if you can consider. So, but on the other hand, Rizwan and Babar should not lose their heart if they are sacked from the team. They should play first class and prove themselves.
But are you happy that they are still retained at one-day internationals? Rizwan has not been removed from captaincy, even though he's removed from T20, but not from one-days. How do you see this then?
I think Akib, it's a good sign that now burden will be shifted from Rizwan, because Akib leading the two sides, it's a very difficult on the case of team which is struggling for success on the every ball. So it's a good sign and good strategy shown by PCB that they have given him rest, and now Salman Agha is also nurturing for captaincy, and it's a good symbol for Pakistani team that both captains are being trained parallel, one for T20 and one for one day. The main thing which I am happy is the burden has been overcome by the Rizwan.
But Taiba, you think South Africa will be joining India in the final? The way they play?
Okay, but if we talk about the current scenario, New Zealand is at a dominant part. If we look, it's 43rd hour and score is marching to 300. It's 274 already. Yeah, okay, but my wishes are for South Africa, but it will be very difficult for them.
With Taiba, thank you so much for inshallah. Tomorrow again we will try to have you with another video. So that's it for the video. Like, share and subscribe to Sports Fest for more content like this. Till then, goodbye.